In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a table of contents to pages inside of Pdf XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so on this demonstration, I've got a 3-page PDF. Now on the first page here, I've got table of contents going from page 2 to page 3. But if I click onto it, nothing happens. So I want to click onto that, and I want that to come to page 2, and likewise page 3. If I click that, I want it to come to this page. So in order to do this, what we need to do is click onto the home tab here, like so, and then click on add edit links. Then from here, we want to go ahead and highlight page 2, and then click on set link, and then click onto it. Then it says here, go to a page in the document. So at the moment, it's set to page 1. I want to change this to page 2, like so. And that's here. I'm also just going to go ahead and make sure it's set for that page. Click OK. Click OK again. And likewise, I want to do the same for page 3. So I want to go ahead and highlight this. Do the same thing, set link. Click onto it. Double click there. And now I want this to go to page 3. So I'm just going to drag this down. And it'll say page 3. Just drag that up to, click OK. Click OK as well. So if I click on any one of these links, it's going to go ahead and set me to page 2 like so. Likewise, if I click on page 3, it's going to take me to page 3.